Hi everyone and welcome to our next lesson. So today we're going to cover diphthongs and consonant blends and digraphs that we use in Malagasy language. We won't cover all of them, of course. The purpose of these lessons is just to give you an insight into Malagasy language, which then may encourage you to follow it up and go into more in-depth lessons. So today we're starting diphthongs with the letters A and Y, or A and I, and in Malagasy it's read as I, as in the word mamay, which is hot. But also you say that if you're not feeling well, mamay, or if you fell and it's hurting, you say mamay. And then the next one is AO, is ow. So when you see it in the word, it's read as ow. Ow also is the word for India, ow. So it's also used in the word Fafao. Please clean it up, it's Fafao. And then you have OA, or the O with a circumflex is read as an O. So oo, and a, and oo with a circumflex turns into an O. So you could say Foana, which is empty, but also could mean always. And then you can have I-E, or E and E, which is read as ye, which also is the word for yes. But you can also find it in word like miezaka, for example, which is to make an effort. So that's I-E is ye. And then we have I-O is you, which also means that. And you can also see it in words like madio, which is clean. And then you have O-I, or ui, so lotoina, getting something dirty. And it's often seen in passive verbs, this combination of O and I. Then you can have also I and A, which is ya. So you can say mahatsiaro when you are thinking of someone or something, mahatsiaro. You get that I-A, those two I-A vowels together. So we can have ow, o, ye, you, ui. And then for consonant blends, there's quite a few of them, but these are the common ones. You get TR makes a ch sound, ch, as in trees, try. TS makes a ts sound. So you put your tongue behind your teeth, at top teeth. NTR makes a ntr, which makes sense really, because it's tr plus n in front, and the sound for n is a n, so there you get the ntr. And then you can also nts. So say for ntr you can have mant, which means poor. Nts Antsey, it's like when you're admiring a baby or something that's cute or gorgeous, then you say Antsey. Nts. You can have ng for ng, ng. Manga is mango fruit, or means blue. Mang. Manta, nt, can be in manta, which means raw. And then you can have nd, nd, nd. Manda is fortress, but it could also be the name of a child. Manda, Manda. And then you can have nk, nk, Kankana, Kankana. You can have mb, which is mb, makes a mb sound, as in Lamba, which is what you wrap, like a shawl you wrap around your shoulders, or a fabric, or your bed sheet. A Lamba pandrina would be a bed sheet. So you can have ch, tr, ch, ts, ts, ntr, ntr, NTS Ns, NG Ng, NT Nt, ND Nd, NK Nk, and MB Mb. Have fun! See you next time!